Here's the thing, bed bugs make you feel anxious, exhausted, and overwhelmed. You're not alone. You're not alone. This video will show simple, practical steps you can start tonight to take back control. You know what really helped us? Understanding that bed bugs are small, sneaky, and relentless. They can make anyone feel anxious and sleep deprived. This guide gives clear, practical steps you can use tonight to reduce bites, stop spread, and work toward elimination. This one's important. The core principle is simple. Bed bugs are defeated with a comprehensive plan, not just one spray. You'll get immediate actions, a treatment schedule that works, and extra tips. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. Okay, so when bed bugs are biting, you need fast relief. These are the first things to do tonight that actually reduce itching and help you sleep. Start with the big wins. Get a bed bug-proof mattress encasement to trap bugs. Wash and dry all bedding and pajamas on high heat for 30 to 60 minutes to kill bugs and eggs, and put interceptors under bed legs so bugs get caught and you can track activity. Move the bed away from walls and furniture so bugs can't bridge from room features. Isolate clean clothes in sealed bags until the infestation is under control. These steps reduce bites fast and give you relief while you work on full elimination. If you want our recommended supplies and sprays to start right away, click the link below. This is the long game. Getting rid of bed bugs takes multiple tactics used together and steady, repeated work. Here's a clear, doable treatment plan you can follow. So first, contain and reduce. Put mattress and box spring in encasements, launder on the hottest safe settings and dry on high for at least 30 minutes. Vacuum mattresses and nearby furniture and empty the vacuum into a sealed bag, then toss it outside. Second, use contact spray for live bugs and residual spray for cracks and seams. Third, follow the schedule. Twice weekly for a month, then weekly for 2 to 3 months. And add non-chemical steps too. Steam treat mattresses, sofas, and curtains to kill bugs and eggs on contact. Seal cracks and crevices with caulk where they hide. Keep using interceptors and track captures so you can see if populations fall and check progress. This one's important. Be persistent. Many people feel discouraged when bugs reappear after a single treatment. That's why a scheduled, combined approach works best. Eggs can hatch over weeks, and repeated treatments catch newly hatched bugs so populations stop rebounding. You need a clear sign it's over. You'll be confident when you see none of the listed signs for 3 consecutive months. Keep checking so you catch any reappearance early. You can be confident the bed bugs are eliminated when you see none of these signs for 3 consecutive months. I'm going to list the signs you should watch for and how to keep checking regularly so you catch any comeback early. Watch for 3 clear signs: no live bed bugs, no shed skins or exoskeletons, and no small black fecal spots. If you still find any of these, keep treating and monitoring until they vanish for 3 months straight, and be persistent. Also check for no blood spots on sheets. Those tiny marks are a clear sign of bites. Keep checking regularly. Monitoring helps you catch any reappearance early and prevents escalation. Take photos of anything you find so you can document progress. This part protects the people and pets you love. Small habits make a big difference, from laundry to travel checks. Follow these extra steps to keep everyone safe and calm. Protect kids and pets by using encasements, washing their bedding on high heat, and avoiding pesticides on skin or where pets can lick them. When you travel, inspect hotel beds, keep luggage off the floor, and treat luggage after trips if you suspect exposure. Be methodical. Separate unclean laundry and transport dirty clothes in sealed bags. Document progress. Take photos of interceptors, bites, or signs you find. Seeing fewer signs over time really helps you stay motivated. Stay calm and persistent. Consistency is the biggest predictor of success. Even if you feel exhausted or frustrated, following the plan week after week is what eliminates bed bugs. You can eliminate bed bugs and restore your sleep and calm. You're not to blame. With steady action, they can be gone. For our top product picks to finish the job, click the link below.